We have Chad Lippert on the line from DA Davidson to talk about this week's stock market news. So Chad, we're going to start off by focusing on yesterday. I hear the market was down. What was it that influenced the markets?
Good morning, Victoria. That's right. It was down yesterday after a big run up, as we've seen here for months, which was capped here on Wednesday with new highs on the S&P and the NASDAQ and the Dow, with the Dow closing above 29,000 for the first time since February. Yesterday, we were down 807 points, and we closed at 28,292 on the Dow, as it really just appears that the market's taking a breather here, especially in technology stocks, as the NASDAQ was down about 5% yesterday.
And what is it that investors can expect today?
Well, right now we've checked the stock futures this morning. The S&P futures are higher this morning, Victoria. The NASDAQ looks like they may be down a little bit this morning on the futures, so a little bit of a mixed market again today as the market kind of heads into the long weekend with Labor Day weekend.
And all thanks to COVID, it's just been a roller coaster of the year. So what are economists saying about the remainder of the year?
Great question. We're getting that a lot as we head into the final 4 months of the year here. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, from what we've read from one of our correspondents with First Trust by the name of Brian Westbury, an economist there, he just put out a prediction this week and said that he expects the market to finish, the Dow to finish at 32,500. Of course, right now we said we're at about 28,200 today. So that would be a pretty nice move from here if he is right. But we are reading some relatively bullish forecasts still going into the end of the year. What's really interesting is we talk all the time, Victoria, about that it's time in the market, not timing the market, and that one of the important principles of investing is having a long-term perspective. And if we look back in February and said, gosh, this is what's going to happen with the virus, and we saw what the market did, a lot of people could have panicked and got out. But if you just go through that, you can see once again that just staying fully invested and being calm in those times really can pay off in the long term.
Patience, the key word. All right, Chad. Yeah. Thank you so much for your time this morning. You have yourself a great Labor Day weekend, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.
You too. Thanks, Victoria.
Thank you. We'll be right back after the break.